Experience the epitome of lakeside luxury at 2339 Wild Pear Trail in Dandridge. Boasting over 4,000 square feet of superior quality construction, surrounded by a level yard, this home offers a spacious floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The chef's kitchen is a culinary dream with stainless steel appliances, a gas cooktop, and behind secret cabinet doors, this large butler's pantry. And there's seating for 10 around the marble counter bar top, with plenty of room for a large dining table and breakfast nook. Welcome to your bedrooms. Here's the first of 2 on the main. And step into the stunning master with direct access to the fully finished sunroom. Your master bath includes dual vanities, a luxurious walk-in shower, an expansive walk-in closet. Take the stairs to your additional bedrooms. This vast bonus room that's ideal for an office or workout space. We've included plenty of storage as well. Now, take the gravel path to your private 30 by 22 foot dock on Douglas Lake. With a variety of design and construction features throughout, 2339 Wild Pear Trail in Dandridge is move-in ready, offering a lifetime of luxury and relaxation. Call Jo Schultheiss of the real estate firm Direct at 865-500-9895.